Re a leboga ma-Afrika Borwa a matle mo e le goreng re le tshepisitše poledišano le ba School Association NAFCOC mo e le gore tla be re boledišana le bona moetapele wa yona leeto le re tlileng mo go lona tšatši la lekgono re tla be re bolela le yena Ryder ka sebele sa gage ebile re kwa gore kopano ya kajeko e sepetše jwang. Mr. Ryder, welcome to Mantombazana News.
Mr. Mantombazana and the viewers, good morning.
Mr. Ryder, we saw you coming to Renaissance Secondary School for the visit today. What transpired actually today? We saw you talking to the learners during assembly point. What transpired at that particular assembly?
No, thank you very much. I'm here under Musina School Association as a chairperson, which is we have come across the videos on social media that children was mocking a teacher and also a student who was acting like she collapsed and died in the class. That's where we have intervened. We have 2 weeks in the school from 7 to 2 o'clock every day to make sure that we are eradicating cell phones, cigarettes, weapons, all those things that are not allowed in the schools. So now, today we just made sure after 2 weeks, this is the 3rd week now. We have invited stakeholders to come and be part of the assembly point where we were addressing the learners in terms of how we are going to make sure that they adhere to the code of conduct of the school. So now, as we speak, you can tell by yourself coming to the school, you're no longer going to see any child who is on the late coming. You're no longer going to see any child having a weapon in the school. Teachers now, you can go and interview teachers so that they can talk for themselves. After our intervention, it seems also the principal is very happy about our intervention. So today the gathering was about to endorse everything that we were telling them actually about the discipline, also including the bullying, and having a way forward of implementing the code of conduct that have been signed in the school.
So, Mr. Ryder, o ya ka lena le bona o ka re le tla o besha or lo beshitše wa tuka tšatši la lekgono e le boledišana le bona bana ba.
You know, we are Yaduk. Renaissance is on fire now, which is, I so believe, each and every parent, when you see your child coming home, you must know that your child is under black top. And at the end of the year, we are going to make sure that you must get a new school for that child, because we are not going to be having a child who are disrespecting teachers and misbehaving in the classes. So it's on fire.
So message wa mafelelo to batswadi ba bana ba sekolo sa Renaissance o tswa go lena bjale ka a structure ko mofeng Ntate Ryder.
To all parents, Sina High, Eric Law, Renaissance, but here for now we are in Renaissance. Message to us is that make sure before your child is going out from home, going to the school, our discipline, our ayaperi as like 1 hour school, because we are not going to allow Urwana as Kumana as a representing school. So parents, we are saying make sure SGB meetings you are attending. Make sure you are pasting a code of conduct in the house where every week or every day you will be reading for your child, for her or him to understand or is calling over at the gym. Because we are expecting doctors, pilots, teachers, police in this school, so that end of the year we can hear Renaissance has produced what we call it 100% pass. If you can see, there is a containers. This message to the MEC, because we also need to invite the MEC to come and make sure the containers that they bring, they make sure they are well furnished with infrastructure, and as well as to make sure the classes they are very clean, and the whole infrastructure of the school to be 100%. So we are also sending this message to all the school who may need our attention to make sure then we will be there and conduct our operation.
re a leboga poledišano le lena ntate Ryder re le ka osane le na le dikopano tše di jwalo le re bitšeng.
Okay, thank you Mantombazana and the viewers.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ryder. Yo e be ile Ryder yena o re be re boledišana le yena tšatši la lekgono mo go Mantombazana News. Re a leboga.